Guys, I have the tornado here, and this is a day 1 fire weather risk. So this is for today. So it looks like, yeah, it's an elevated fire weather risk for this area. There is a critical fire weather risk for this area in Arizona and this area in New Mexico. So this outlook is on Tuesday. So this is for Tuesday. It looks like there's an enhanced risk. Then there is a slight risk. So yeah, it looks like it's in Dixie Alley mostly. And some of eastern Oklahoma. But yeah, there is an enhanced risk for this Tuesday. Alright, so I'm looking at the National Weather Service Memphis, for Memphis, Tennessee. And it says, more persistent and more widespread, a few intense storms. It says Tuesday afternoon and evening are the timing. Primary threats, damaging wind, a few tornadoes. Confidence. This is a medium confidence forecast. So, yeah, this is an enhanced risk for severe weather for a lot of Dixie Alley. But, here we go. Stay informed on the latest forecasts. Have multiple ways to receive warnings. Have a plan to take shelter if needed. So yeah, this is for Tuesday. This Tuesday, March 4th. Alright, here's the severe weather risk for Wednesday, March 5th. So Wednesday, March 5th. Looks like it's the East Coast, along the East Coast. So yeah, this is for Wednesday, March 5th.